Hundreds and hundreds of people came out to this summit to hear them speak and to talk about ways to support children and families.
Talking to experts, formulating a plan, obviously to put the best interests of Floridians first, to make sure the kids were in school, to make sure that there weren't any forced mRNA COVID vaccinations contingent on people being able to keep their jobs.
First Lady Casey DeSantis told this crowd of hundreds of people about what it was like to stop people from being required to get COVID vaccines. And now she's the chair of the newly created Florida MAHA, Make America Healthy Again Commission. Both First Lady Casey DeSantis and the Lieutenant Governor were here in Orlando for the Department of Children and Families, known as DCF, 2025 Florida Children and Families Summit. The newly created MAHA Commission is designed to support efforts of Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. Lieutenant Governor Jay Collins is also on this commission. I spoke with him exclusively about getting rid of vaccine requirements for children.
If you want the immunizations, you can do those. It's perfectly fine. And ultimately, I want people to have transparency in what these things mean. Understand that and then make a choice that is good for you, good for your family.
Was the COVID vaccine bad for people?
Well, I'm not a medical provider, so I don't think that I am the person who should be speaking about the medical complexities of that. But what I will tell you is this: you should have a choice about what you put in your body. I didn't give my kids the COVID vaccine. And frankly, we had a difficult time finding providers for them and finding pediatricians. It was tough at a certain point because of that. But in the end, we had a medically complex child who had to overcome difficult circumstances, and his body wasn't prepared to handle that. So we opted not to, and we had to fight through it. That circumstance, those things shouldn't happen to other parents. Was COVID the issue? I don't know. I think there's still a lot of discussion to go on with the mRNA, and I support our approach on this. That's why I ran the bill last year that actually extended the mRNA timeout, right? The pause on that, because there's more to learn.
Laverne McGee, News 6.